Hello, everyone. This is Don Cooper. I'm the CEO of Innovative Industrial Services, and I'm your host today on this API 653 new repair methods webinar.
Now, the first step begins with applying a primer coat. Our tank wrap primer is applied at 5 to 7 mils. It's a two-part epoxy, and this is going to seal up any of these pits that you can't fully remove the corrosion out of. So that's its first advantage. Second is that it has a very high bond strength, allowing that load transfer to take place. The third property is that it creates a galvanic insulator between carbon fibers and steel. Because they're dissimilar materials, carbon fiber and steel could potentially have galvanic corrosion over a long period of time. So we isolate the steel, we put a insulating primer onto that steel,